with PPTC Fitness, and today I want to talk to you about your squat and deadlift and how to correct them and make sure you're getting the exact force production, full force production out of your workout. So a lot of times, and this might happen to you, a lot of times people might have a problem with squats or deadlifts, whether they're adding too much weight or they're just getting super tired. When they're going through the squat or deadlift, their knees will tend to go in and they'll give in, and as they're going through the workout. Now, if your knees give in like that, we don't want that. That can cause injury, right? It could hurt your knees, it could hurt your back, it can hurt a lot of things because your core is not braced and you're not doing the exercise correctly. So what I want to do is shift our mindset and make sure that we're getting the most force production out of it by correcting our knees. Because a lot of times you'll hear, whether it's another gym goer, a powerlifting coach, a strength coach, whatever it might be, they'll tell you knees out, which is a great cue, it's a great tip, and it's something good to think about while you're doing that so you do not hurt your knees. But there's a better way to do it and maintain the same force production. What I mean by that is, if you're going through the squat and you're here and you're thinking knees out, all you're thinking is put my knees out, okay? You're not thinking about how hard you're pushing up, you're not thinking about squeezing your butt still, you're not thinking about the muscles you're activating. What I want to do is keep thinking about those muscles. So how do I do that? Well, let's change our mindset from saying knees out to spreading the floor apart. So what I mean by that is, if I'm in this, so we're shoulder width apart, knees are at 45 degrees, this is where we want to be, we're about 45 degrees, this is where we want to be, and if our legs start going in, instead of saying knees out and just pushing them out and losing all our force production into the ground, what we want to do is pretend like there's a line in the middle of us here, like a crack, and we're trying to spread that apart, spread the floor apart. So if you feel it going in like this, you're spreading the floor apart. You're actually pushing into the ground and pushing your feet out this way as you still have your legs activated, your core activated, everything else activated throughout the motion. So not only do you keep the same force production, but you will stay free from injury while you do the workout as well. It's a simple tip, it's a simple trick. If anybody has any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like the video, leave a like. And if you want to see any other videos in the future, whether it's about an exercise or some other type of weight loss or whatever it is, just leave that in the comments below as well. My name is Ronnie Petito with PPTC Fitness. Until next time.